My name is Dr. Curtis. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, and I'm going to be providing your 5-minute stretch break. All right? Woohoo! So let's get some blood moving. I'm an alumni of Sacramento State, undergraduate, I've been UOP, and my daughter actually goes here. She's in the Doctor of Audiology program, so love Sac State. How many of you, by the raise of hands, sit most of the time at your jobs? That's like 90% of everybody. Exactly. Did you know that you actually look more attractive when you have good posture, right? Right? When you sit, your body does what? This. Okay. Where's the photographer? Don't take a picture of this one. Okay. Look at my head. It goes forward on my shoulders round a little bit, and most of you are probably doing this all day, right? Okay? Now look what happens to my head, to my shoulders when I just stand up. So if you get one of those sit-stand stations, it'll help you out. But let's go ahead and stand up, and we're going to start moving a little bit. I'm going to give you some head-to-toe stretches on all of 3 minutes and 42 seconds of stretching a little bit of your head and neck, your shoulders, and to correct that sitting posture, okay? So we're just going to do a little chin tuck and roll, okay? So if you see my head here, we are correcting this posture, all right? So a little chin tuck, a little nod like this, and you should feel a little bit of movement, stretch at the back of your neck, chin tuck. If you hear a little cracking and popping, I just saved you $50 from going to the chiropractor, all right? So if you want a little more, you can do a little chin tuck and a little bit of roll, and don't press too hard. Chin tuck and a little bit of roll. And don't push down like that, because we already get enough of that, right? Okay, chin tuck and roll. Great. Second one, I call this the one the TikTok exercise. We are side bending the head, but you're going to rotate right at your nose, okay? Tick, tock, tick, snap, crackle, and pop. If you hear a little cracking and popping, you should feel this in your upper neck, okay? Upper neck. This is an area that doesn't get moved very much. Excellent. Good job. Good job. If anybody has any dizziness, sit down. Seek medical advice right away. Okay, going from the head, neck to the shoulders. Okay, we're going to correct this, okay? So this doesn't look very attractive, does it? Right? I teach self-defense classes too. Does this look like, where's my phone? Okay. This looks like a victim ready to happen versus confident walking, right? Okay, so shoulders back, shoulder pinch. Shoulders back, shoulder pinch. Shoulders back, shoulders pinch. There you go. You could do this one sitting at your workstation, and that's going to feel really good. And it's not just your arms. My mom used to do this one. She would sit in your chair, okay? So chest out, shoulders back. There you go. Pinch those shoulder blades. Very good. Now this one is going to facilitate this motion a little more and open up the anterior chest. So if you go in back of your chair, maybe we can try this. If you're in your cubicle, you could just grab whatever's there, and you're going to do the kind of the shoulders back, chest out motion, but hang on with your fingertips and start turning to the left a little bit. And that's going to pull your shoulder back a little bit, and your shoulder, okay? And your scapula. You should feel a little pec stretch right here. If you're anything higher, hey, this is pretty sturdy. Okay? You got it? Switch to the other side. Switch to the other side. Good job. I got 2 more to fit in here in 4 seconds. Okay, a simple back bend is good disc care, okay? Your discs are like jelly donuts, they say. If you're sitting, that fluid tends to push posterior. You want to stand a lot and do some back bends, okay? All right, reverse that curve. That'll feel good. Last one is a hamstring stretch. You could do this standing or sitting. I'm going to do it sitting for you. Let's see. Well, you guys are standing already. Straddle stance. Bring your ankle up toward your nose. Nice military posture. Get that little lordosis in your back and start folding it forward. And you should feel your hamstrings. Say hello. Say hello to your hamstrings. Is your hamstrings talking to you? Yes, yes. Your body's communicating, right? And up and relax. Next one. Straddle stance, ankle up toward your nose. Arch your back, military posture. Kind of stick your butt out a little bit. That means you still have that lordosis. Lean forward and get introduced to your hamstrings. All right, my time's up. Thank you, everybody. I forgot to say that I'm from UC Davis, and woohoo! UC Davis. All right. Take care, everybody.